We booked a 14th century mill house set in 11 acres of ground just outside Bourton-on-the-Water with unique homestays. Here is their picture, and here is the one I took on arrival. And here is the chap who bought the house in 1988. This is the super cool mill race dating back to 1303 as you enter the house, which leads to a dining room and formal sitting room scattered with antiques, with exposed stone walls, flagged floors and a huge fireplace. On the first floor you'll find another sitting room in a comfortable, snug style, complete with posh magazines for you to peruse. There's a large kitchen diner with access to a boot room and the garden, and an exquisite, fully equipped hand-painted kitchen. You will find 2 bedrooms upstairs, set up with twin beds, which we used for children, and as fine wallpaper, an ensuite bathroom sits between these 2 rooms, and below these you have a twee double room and another ensuite. The master suite is privately situated down a small corridor with its own dressing room, ensuite, and office with private stair. Outside the front of the house, you benefit from a children's play area with cute bridge, extensive grassed area bounded by the River Windrush, and an artificial grass tennis court accessed by ascending Cotswold stone steps. The rear of the property are acres of garden and meadow to enjoy alongside the River Windrush, as well as a tasteful barn-style pool house sitting high on the grounds above the River Windrush, equipped with a 13-metre pool, hand-painted murals and a changing area. In the first floor there is a cinema and recreation-style room. We thoroughly enjoyed our stay at Midsummer Wood and would highly recommend booking for your next trip.